everyone, welcome back to Music Lessons with Mrs. Morris. Today I'm going to be teaching you one of my favorite hymns called I'll Fly Away by Albert Brumley. Actually, over the next month or so, I'll be uploading more videos of my favorite hymns. There'll be a whole playlist. I hope you come back often to join me in learning these songs. But let's get back to learning I'll Fly Away. Oh, I'll fly away, oh glory, I'll fly away. So there are 4 chords in the song I'll Fly Away. The first one is C, the second is C major 7, the next one is F, and then we go to G7. 1, 2, here we go. Some glad morning when this life is over, I'll fly away to that home on God's celestial shore. I'll fly away. You guys are doing fantastic. So let's move on to the chorus. And we start with C again, and then we're going to go to C major 7. Here we go. Oh, I'll fly away, oh glory. Then to F. I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. 1, 2, here we go. Some glad morning when this life is over, I'll fly away to a home on God's celestial shore. I'll fly away. Oh, I'll fly away, oh glory, I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. So the strumming pattern to this song will just be down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's put the whole song together. 1, 2, here we go. Some glad morning when this life is over, I'll fly away to a home on God's celestial shore. I'll fly away. Oh, I'll fly away, oh glory, I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. Just a few more weary days and then I'll fly away to a land where joy will never end. I'll fly away. Oh, I'll fly away, oh glory, I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. Oh,
Thank you for watching my video today. If you are interested in learning more easy ukulele songs, subscribe to my channel at Music Lessons with Mrs. Morris.